Hi, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'll be sharing with you the 5 tips to help any person at any level to level up on their public speaking, especially at work. And through these 5 tips, I'll guide you steadily. Listen all the way till the end because that last one, oh, now that's the game changer. So your names come up for that presentation. Oh my goodness. Yep, you're going to present. And just the thought of it, your heart is racing fast, your palms are sweating, thinking, oh my goodness, why me? Well, let me tell you this. Every unforgettable speaker started somewhere at some point where they also felt, I would not want my name to be called. But look, today I'm going to share with you 5 tips that will help any beginner to be great public speaker. So let's talk about the first thing you want to do. And the first thing is not how you're going to speak, but the first thing is about what you're going to do with your posture, your body language. The moment you walk into that room, your conversation has started. So the one thing you want to ensure is that you ground yourself. You want to ensure that when you stand in a comfortable way, in such a way that you stand feeling your toes on the ground. And in grounding yourself in that way, you will ensure that you look more confident. Our communication starts with our body. When we speak with our whole body. Yep, toes included. So you want to ensure that as you stand there, you stand with a powerful posture. Because posture determines how you show up and speak. And then let's look at tip number 2. Yep, it's exactly the one you thought about. Breathe. That's the first thing most people say they're going to do and have to do, but just never do. You have to breathe. Yep, I know you just want to get over and done with. You want to see yourself seated. You just want to get to the final slide that says, thank you. That's not how it works. By centering yourself and coming to the present moment and taking a deep breath through your nose, filling your stomach, holding it for 4, and then exhaling through your mouth and holding it for another 4. That's exactly what you want to do. It's called box breathing. Box breathing helps you to calm your nerves. And now you're probably thinking, should I box breathe in front of my audience? Yep, you can. You can do it without opening your mouth widely when you exhale, like, that's not what we're aiming for. You want to exhale looking more natural, like I'm just having a good time standing here while I'm actually freaking out and trying to calm down. Yes, so breathe. And then the third thing you want to ensure that you do is that you check your pace. You can't be speaking as fast as you're thinking. And the only reason you speak so fast is because you're anxious. It's normal. And it's going to feel like you're not pacing, but trust and believe you are most probably rushing. So the best thing you want to do is think about speaking robotically slower. Because when you speak a little bit slower, your audience perceives that you're calm, relaxed, chilled. You've got this. Even though inside you're having tornadoes going off, you want to ensure that you manage your pace. So in those crib notes, add slow down. Pause after the good morning. Not good morning, how are you guys? I just wanted to tell you good morning. Thank you so much for the opportunity to be here today. Yeah, pause. 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 Yes, silence is painful. It feels like crickets, but no. Pausing is good. It communicates calm, ease. I'm having a great time. And then the next thing you want to do is remember that you've got an audience in front of you. And you're not speaking to your slides, your notes, you're speaking to them. So you want to make Eye contact. Yep. That painful thing. Eye contact. Well, I'm trying to remember my speech, Palesa. Yeah, boy. Eye contact. You want to make sure you find the friendly faces. Ignore the ones that aren't looking at you the way you want to be looked at. But the ones that look engaged, ones that are nodding as you're speaking, and you use them as your pillars across the room. Find one to your left, find one to your right. And as you move your head, move it steadily. You're not going to be doing it like this. Move it steadily, slowly from this side. You find your other friendly face on the other side and you make eye contact. And if that idea scares you, look at their hairstyles. That's what my teacher used to tell me in high school. Was it primary? Primary. She used to say, just look at their hairstyles, because their eyes was way too much for me to handle. But now that we're all older, we know eye contact matters. It makes you come across as though you've got integrity, as well as making sure that your audience isn't sleeping, making sure that they're still with you. And if they're still nodding, they're probably still with you. Oh, and my favorite one of them all is you have to practice out loud. I know you're intelligent. I know you're smart. I know you get it. But trust me, practice makes perfect. And not practicing like you need to say your speech out loud so that when you get there, your body is not shocked as to, oh my goodness, what's this? Good morning. You need to say it out loud in the mirror, in the shower, in the car. And then you listen to that recording in the car so that it becomes familiar to you. It becomes a conversational thing. So we're not going to be reading our speech in preparation. We're not going to be whispering our speech in preparation. Nah, we're going to say it and we're going to hear it and we're going to cringe and we're going to fix it. So that when we get there, it's not our first rodeo. Our boss is not going to see us doing our first rehearsal in front of them. Because that's what most of us are currently doing. Winging it every single day. Let's do a quick recap. The first thing, you want to ensure that you're grounded. Toes solid on the ground. Good posture. And then, you want to breathe, my friend. You want to breathe. And then you want to ensure that you pace yourself, especially at the beginning. Speak slower. Awkwardly slow, but perfect for the audience. And then you want to make eye contact. Find your friendly faces, the ones nodding. And lastly, practice out loud. I'm going to tell you again, practice out loud. Remember, being a beginner is not a weakness. It just means you've got a journey to grow. Start off with these 5 simple tips and already your presentations will be so much smoother. But if you're ready to take it a notch further and you want to ensure that you ace every presentation, I've dropped you a link in the description box, which is the Confidence to Speak online course. And there I will guide you over 7 special short segments on how you can become a more confident speaker. If you enjoyed these tips, remember to subscribe, click that notifications bell so that you don't miss the next episode.